Hey guys, this is Lucas from Lucas World. Today I'm going to show you some Play-Doh surprises. But first, let's turn this Coke into a Play-Doh Coke. To do that, we need one Coke that will drink up and get an empty bottle. Then, we'll split it in half, like this. We'll take the Play-Doh, mold it a little, and put it in one of the halves of the bottle. Then we'll cover it with the other half. Tuck it in and remove the rest of the Play-Doh. Then we'll remove the cover. And finally, we put a sticker back on the bottle. Now we got a Play-Doh Coke. Now the best part is, if you hide some surprises inside, you'll get yourself a Play-Doh Coca Cola Surprise Bottle. And we made 6 of those off camera. Inside we put some Teen Titans Go surprises. So let's check them out. This bottle has Cyborg on it. And I'm really curious what is inside. Alright, let's crack the bottle open. And we got a surprise egg inside. Let's crack it open. And we got Raven. She's the meanest Teen Titan because she's a demon. So here comes Raven. Now let's check another bottle. This time it's in pink color. And we got Beast Boy on it. Let's take off the lid. Tear the Play-Doh apart. And here's the surprise egg. And inside we got Silky. This is Starfire's pet. And she usually drools a lot. The next bottle is made out of red Play-Doh, and it has Silky on it. So let's take Silky off. Of course, take off the lid. And finally, destroy the Play-Doh bottle. And here's our red surprise egg. Let's crack it open. And we got Cyborg. Look at this dude. He's like, I really like his red laser eye. Only 3 more bottles left. And the next one is in yellow color. And it has Raven on it. So let's take her off. And unwrap the Play-Doh. So here's the surprise egg. And we got Robin. He has a mask, a yellow belt, the Robin logo, and a black cape. And here's another character from Teen Titans Go. Alright, the next Play-Doh Coca Cola bottle is going to be this one. It's in green color and has Starfire on it. Let's take her off and rip the Play-Doh apart. Here's the surprise egg. And inside we got Beast Boy. Beast Boy can turn into any animal in the world. And they call him Beast Boy because, well, he sort of looks like a beast. And I really like the one tooth coming out of his mouth. Okay, here comes the last Play-Doh Coca Cola bottle. And it's in blue color. And it even has Robin on it. And the only one Teen Titan that is missing is Starfire. Hopefully we can get her. Let's unwrap the Play-Doh. Here's the blue surprise egg we got. And here is Starfire. Yes! She's the most nicest Teen Titan. And she got stars on her shoes. So there goes our last Teen Titans Go character. And here are all of them once again. We got Raven, Silky, Cyborg, Robin, Beast Boy, and Starfire. So here are all my TITANS Go surprises I got from my Play-Doh Coca Cola bottles. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos when I show some more surprises. Until then, bye! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.